Did you know what happened on D-Day? Since its defeat in France, the Allied forces had pushed German forces out of North Africa, Sicily, and southern Italy. With Soviet victories mounting, it was time for the Allies to turn their attention to France, which held a large number of German units. The D-Day invasion, which took place on June 6, 1944, was one of the most significant military operations in history involving the landing of British, Canadian, and American troops on the beaches of Normandy, France, in an attempt to establish a foothold in France and begin the liberation of occupied countries. On the military front, the Allied forces used deception and surprise. The Allies spent months carefully planning the invasion and disguising their intentions, using a number of tactics such as planting false information and using dummy tanks and planes to mislead the Germans as part of Operation Fortitude. On the political front, the D-Day invasion was a major show of solidarity and cooperation among the Allied powers. It demonstrated the commitment of the United States, the United Kingdom, and other countries to defeating Nazi Germany and liberating Europe from tyranny. The D-Day invasion required a massive investment of resources, including the production of thousands of ships, planes, and tanks to support the operation. The Allied powers also had to coordinate the logistical support for the invasion, including the transportation of troops and supplies across the English Channel and the maintenance of supply lines through France. The D-Day invasion was a major victory for the Allied powers and a turning point in the war. It opened up a second front in Western Europe and helped to hasten the defeat of Nazi Germany. In the next video in this series, we will look at the Allies' progress through Western Europe.